Hey everyone, I'm David from ChefsTemp. Today, I'm gonna give you some tips on customizing your cook with the ProTemp S1 and wireless probes. The great thing about the ChefsTemp system is that it's customizable, meaning you can manage multiple grills and cooks at the same time without having to worry about running back and forth, opening lids, and checking temperatures with your thermometer. Let's say we're having some friends over for dinner and want to cook up a rotisserie chicken on the gas grill and some ribeye steaks on our ceramic smoker. All we need to do is attach our ChefsTemp S1 to one of our grills, or even both, since you can connect multiple S1 thermometers to the app. Once our S1 is set up, we can start prepping our meat and insert our wireless probes. You can connect up to 4 probes to the S1, so this should be no problem. I'm going to set temperatures on all of these different proteins. Let's start a new cook on the whole chicken using one of these probes, and our ribeye steaks using the others. Back on the home page, we can monitor how the individual cooks are going without even opening the grill. And if we want, we can even set high and low temperature alarms on the S1 itself for further control. To get more customized, we can click into each probe and set an alert for things like if the ambient or internal temperature of the probe or grill goes above or falls below our desired range, ensuring that the cooking process is running smoothly, even while we're away. For more on ChefsTemp products or the ProTemp S1, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Remember, the ProTemp S1 helps you smarten your grill in a snap.